Hi, good morning. It is almost 2026. I am looking back on my 2025, the things that I have done, I have accomplished. First of all, I made a list. I did not bring my notebook, my journal, but I made a list on my phone. These are the achievements of mine that I can say that I did not see myself doing. First is I am able to finish two notebooks for my journal. So yeah, about that. So I consumed two notebooks already for my journal this year, this 2025. Although the first notebook that I finished, I started using it from 2022 or 2023, and I just finished on the first quarter of this year. I wrote some journal, and it is helpful for me to do it. That's why I enjoy it so much in this year. That's why I finished two notebooks. The other one, I started using the second notebook from the second quarter of this year, and I finished it on the third quarter of this year. So last year I was not seeing myself to writing any journal for myself. So actually, I am using my notebooks as my notes for my work, and it seems that I am not using it as my resource notebook for information whenever I do my work. So for me to be able to get that notebook useful, I wrote some journal, and funny enough, I was able to read some of my journal day by day and reflect, see what I can improve for myself. Another thing is, oh, this one is new. I finished reading 10 books. I can't believe that I finished reading 10 books. So for myself, seeing my future that I will read books, I rarely touch any books when I was in college. When I was in high school, I read more like three books of my high school life. In 2025, I was able to finish 10 books. So the first book that I finished this year was the Subtle Art of Not Giving a from Mark Manson. The second is the Atomic Habits from James Clear. I just can't believe that I would finish 10 books within this year. And I already have a collection of books. Some of the books that I bought are still wrapped, and I wasn't able to unwrap them yet. As of now, I am still reading two books. Two books. The third one that I did this 2025 is I was able to post my first video on YouTube. Yes. Although that first video, my real target for that is to post it by around December of 2024. But yeah, I do not have the courage. I still cringe myself. I posted that video. But I'm thankful for myself that I was able to post it on YouTube. The problem is, after I posted it, I stopped posting anything on my YouTube channel. But after several months, finally, I gained again the courage to post a YouTube video. So right now, looking at my YouTube channel, I now have 10 videos on my channel, and I was able to post some videos on YouTube. Although I still cringe. Based on my last video, I still do not have that courage to speak on the public. But I know for myself that I can conquer that, because as of now I am in the public. There are many people that are looking at me when I speak in front of the camera, but I just don't mind them. The fourth one is I was able to travel with my wife. So the first travel that we did was during our anniversary last March 2025. So we went to Iloilo. It was fun. And the second one, we went to Cebu. All right. So I guess that's the most promising things that I have done in my 2025. I will do an update video for my 2026 resolutions. Happy New Year to you, and I see you all in 2026.